Hi, Morak 1 at your service, and I'm programmed to be your guide on this PeopleMover tour of Tomorrowland. You might say I'm sort of a commuter-computer. Well, you see, these vehicles travel quietly and with no air pollution on a system of linear induction motors. It's kind of a fancy term for the special electromagnets that push and pull our vehicles around Tomorrowland. There are more than 600 of these electromagnets embedded along our WEDWay track. They could even be used for transportation inside buildings. Why, this could lead to new concepts in city planning. Here's just such an idea for a model city of the future. The tallest building would combine living, working, and shopping areas into a central location. There's even an airport and an amusement park. Someday, systems like the WEDWay PeopleMover might be developed in the city. They might use this for transportation inside buildings. This is a whole new concept and plan here. That is a great way to window shop, huh? Just ahead, look at some of one of the most fun places to shop in the Magic Kingdom, Mickey's Market. There's a whole array of Disney gifts and souvenirs. Great way to window shop. There are more earthbound races. Just follow the roar of the engines to the Grand Prix Raceway. But watch out. There's no one on that course with the driver's license.
All excited going into space.
Hold on to your seats because we're approaching the ultimate thrill of intergalactic travel, Space Mountain. But first, you get a preview of life on our imaginary new planet, Lyco 1.
The so-called Lyco 1.
There's no line. There's no line. There's no line down there.
Marty's pointed out to me several times. There's no line for Space Mountain.
Oh my! That was a great preview of Space Mountain.
Yes.
Oh, by the way,
Someone's going to run over there and get in line.
well, that's almost the feeling we had line before our sky was off to the left. Yeah, but the folks is Space Mountain. First, look at it.
Yeah, babe.
quickly decided to save high-speed adventures like that for Space Mountain. So we're just cruising along at 10 miles per hour. Oh, let me check my memory bank. More than 90 million guests have enjoyed the different versions of the Carousel of Progress since its 1964 debut at the New York World's Fair. In our Carousel Theater, you'll journey through time and find progress at every turn. You'll see how life has changed from the horse and buggy days to the computer age.
Dream Flight will lift you on a soaring adventure through the magical romantic ages of aviation. Presented by Delta Airlines. Dream Flight will lift you on a soaring adventure through the magical romantic ages of aviation.
Favorite Disney character? What if they even were singers? Oh yes, the American Journeys. This spectacular motion picture is presented on 9 screens and surrounding the magic of Circle-Vision 360. You'll experience breathtaking vistas across America, from New York Harbor to my favorite, a wild ride in the Cirque of Honolulu. Ooh, it almost soaked my circus. Golly, you're almost back at the station already. Let's see. In the last few minutes, you've traveled nearly a mile on this Grand Circle tour to Tomorrowland. This is Computer, saying I hope you've enjoyed.
Well, we made it all the way to the end. Thanks for sticking around. Please like and subscribe, and I upload videos on Mondays and Thursdays.